What's going on, everybody? So today we are at this hidden gem. Yeah, so today we are at this hidden gem. Look at that. This is so beautiful. I mean, I live here for a week or even more. I can't tell you which part this is, you know? I can't tell you none at all. Because this is Raje's secret spot. Raje over there, so I try catch crayfish. We already come here so in the night, like 12 o'clock in the night, and set traps. I will shoot some. You will see that clip there earlier in the video. Or no, I'm not going to do it backwards in a way. I'm going to start the video with this. This is the intro. But yeah, look on this. This is lovely. I'm going to take on it in the water soon. You can see what I go on. And you can see underneath it and what I do. But this is so lovely. And people make me know if you don't like the content like this. So I can do more video like this. You know, me and Raje can do more video like this. Me can do more video like this. Yeah. Alright, so I'm taking along the journey. Oh yeah, I was there with Abby. I was there with Najuma today. You will see them later on in the video. Or whenever in the video. Then we'll leave them at the campsite to cook. Because we decided to we camp overnight. We reach here in the night. We did reach in the day. But unfortunately, we reach in the night. And we camp overnight. After we set up camp, we'll go get the food and then cook it up. One more time, look at that. Wow, just wow. I'm going to a sneak peek under the water. We have three crayfish so far. I will just start. More to go. Huh? You want to swim across? We would have used it. Sorry, that used it. Maybe they don't use it. That would this say. Because they can't use the spot. Okay. The trap empty. It have few things in there, but not worth there, you know? Yeah. I try to still go out there, so I can't still go there. The stream a big back dog. I want to go there I said to get a nice there. Yeah. Bad. Nice, lovely water. I put him in the bag now. Yeah. So last night over there, so the gug full of crawfish. But down the daylight, they go in and hide it somewhere. I don't know where they go. So it's kind of hard to find them now. You have to really search. You have to really search to find them and things. It's our camping spot, you know. Look how this water is clear. That's the water is crystal clear. Look at that. If I know for the reflection from the sky, you would have never know say a water you look on.
I'm trying to come in for vacation, but we'll get the point. Well, long way, Mr. Mr. Crossway. Long way, crossway.
You know what's a long way?
Mr. Bus not too long way.
Country living.
We're peeling. See people careful? Very uptown. I tell you, say, I usually boil it, then peel it off. So we are gonna prepare some breakfast. Well, Abby's gonna prepare the breakfast. So I'm gonna just prep some potatoes for her. My girl know for catch fire. My girl know for what else she know for do everything. Clean and nice potatoes. Oh, by the way, if you never know, if you cut out a sweet potato, you cut in the middle first, around, and then you just pull out the thing with all the seeds. One of my favorite parts about cooking is actually prepping, cutting up the seasoning. Because I like to do them and just put them aside and make them colorful. Seasoning, if your seasoning is not colorful, then you're not cooking right. And we Jamaicans, we have to eat our food with dry seasoning as well as actual vegetable seasonings. Like, we don't just put stuff on chicken and then slap them in the pot. No, we have to have a tomato with onion, with scallion, with thyme, with garlic. We have to have that. That's a must. So if you're not cooking like that, something is wrong with you. That's why they say Jamaican food is the best in the world. The fire lights. So we're gonna first thing boil the potatoes. So we have the seasoning chopped up. Abby is dealing with the potato. We're gonna do boiled potatoes and crawfish, prawn, whatever the guys catch. And that we are work with. Period. The man them said that we are work with. Anything them bring come for cook. That we are work with. Yeah, I feel like back in the days when the man them go hunt and the woman them, yeah.
Essa moça?
Green up for 50 minutes now, I'm hungry time, I'm not laughing right now. How can I wish my fashion up? Yeah. As you know.
Nice, Abby.
Try to make a deal.
So what you say, we are prepared for this morning?
Coconut curry crayfish.
Start loader please.
Coconut curry crayfish and boiled potatoes.
So I prepare coconut curry crayfish with boiled potato. Alright, I can't wait for it. We have over here, so.
Milk water in this thing, that's a lot. Just enough food for this.
Alright. Something new today.
Go on, man, I have this one. I'm going to show you a real chef. Get down.
Alright, Abby, your pot look nice. The pot look nice and good. Let me just dip my hand in there and take up something and just
Chef
start
Raj
eating.
Kumar could never.
Where's that? Say it again.
Chef Raj Kumar could never.
You hear that, Raje? Oh, that gets a look a bit.
Bro.
The sachets.
Him.
Oh man. I tell you some movie for me now.
And Raj Kumar is there?
I tell you
You
some
push your
movie
hand to
something
the
for
tent
me.
and take it off. The sausage. Yeah.
Pot look nice, man. But not one. Your belly look like it's full already.
No, well, don't put me on YouTube with my big gun. You ever do me that? You ever do me that?
Ooh.
Cut it so. In minute, where you gone? Noel, some food stuff can give me a part. Ease up that now. Ease up the course of now. Put that here, sir, and put the course over there, sir.
I'm here to share it this time.
No?
Alright. Time has come to share the food. Alright, so I'm going to share it equally, don't shall take our time. She know I make the same mistake.
We mean yes. I'm going to make some people get a hold of the good prawn.
She know make a mistake today. This is it, people. Hope you see it. Yeah, put the foot back in that one, Abby. Yeah. The best thing ever. Even not compared to one Abby chef.
Shit, they can't put us put it up here. Right, push on the border. In your eye? Yeah. Of all people. Why did I ever put it in your eye? Woo. The water is so blue. So it's videoing, right? Yeah. I need clips of this. I'm gonna need clips of this. The current has sprung. Oh, yep. Oh, yes. Oh, wow.
Look how me I said. We just hike, come up the hill with all our camping gears. Never easy none at all. Oi! Anyways people, so that is a wrap for today's vlog, today's camping, everything. That's a wrap. Let me know if you don't like the content, if you don't want to see more, let me know in the comments. Remember to drop a subscribe, remember to like the video. Yeah, it help out the video and the channel and thing. So that's up until next time.